folks, welcome back. So today what we're going to be doing, we're going to do a little bass fishing here on my favorite lake. Got out here early. There's still a light fog on the lake. The weather's been really up and down. So what we're going to try doing is we're going to try to throw some top waters in these new lily pads you can see out here. They're just starting to break the surface, so there's grass under them. We might try to get some swim jigs in there. We might even try to get some spinner baits. We'll see. Might go out to the middle a little, do some crankbait action, maybe some lipless cranks. So follow me. Let's catch some bass. Okay, folks, let's get started here with a chatterbait. Some people call it a swim jig. I've got a little paddle tail on the end underneath my perch-colored swim jig. So let's see. Ooh, it sounds good. Let's see if we can't catch some fish with it. I'm sure there's something out there that wants to eat this. So you got to have the right look on your face there, which is a smile. There he is. That's what I'm talking about. I knew we'd find one. Healthy bass. Nice largemouth. There it is. He's not huge, but he's still a fighter. Boy, got something up with his tail there. Probably doing a little spawning. Washing the bed out. Hoping to get a female. I'm going to try a trick worm here. Zoom makes it. It's kiwi. A little bit lighter green than what I was just using, but it's still like the glittery pumpkin seed. Just the first thing I grabbed. But my shaky head set up here. I want to show you this. See, it's got that little spring there, and you corkscrew your bait onto it, and then you can make it weedless. But I heard some people say they prefer just the one with the point on here, because technically if you're up here and you got a bass on, sometimes the bait you're using is bigger than the gap, and then the bass they don't have the gap of the hook. They don't have the whole hook in their mouth, taking up some space with this worm. So when you have that point, you know, when that bass hits it, this thing slides off now and is hanging like this, which leaves your bait wide, or your hook wide open. So let's see here. Love these trick worms though. And that's it. That's how your rig should look, and you're totally weedless. I mean, if there's some yuck, you'll get it on your line, but man, to fish inside lily pads and stuff and in some grass, personally, I think this is a great bait. I'll let you be the judge. Oh, quit it. On that shaky head, I really do like that. Maybe a pounder. Oh, there he is. There's another one. Boy, they love that. They love that shaky head, man. They're engulfing that thing. There it is. Oh, yes. That's awesome. I'm the shaky head again, but let me show you something. That thing spit this thing up. Look at that worm. That's got to be 8 or 9 inch worm. That bass just spit that worm up. Look at my poor worm here. I don't know how many more I got it like this, or how many more casts I have in this one. Maybe one more, it looks like. Oh, yeah. On a rubber worm. Look at that guy. That's what I'm talking about. And that's what it's all about, folks. But you can see there's a female here. I got plenty of crappie in my freezer. I'm going to let this one go. Make little babies.